Let me introduce into the iAGENT desk. This is where David is working with all his channels. For example, he can work with, besides of emails, Twitter, Facebook, also with chat, social media, and also call is integrated here. As an example, we have integrated our internal novophone desk. This can also be any phone integration like Aspect or Cisco or whatever you prefer. Also, a Microsoft Teams integration is available today, so we are very open to integrate any other phone system here. But for David, for example, he's currently working on his ticket. This ticket was assigned to him. In that case, it's just Twitter. You can see here, David has access to different folders. You can have a look, for example, into his global inbox. In my case, see here, this is Molly's command. Each ticket for us has a service level. In our case, the service level is still green, but hey, Molly looks interesting. So I will pick up her ticket into my inbox, and you can see here our inbox includes a lot of information about the sender, the channel, the service level, and also the categories, which is very important for routing. And so we recognize which commands or which kind of communication the customer sent to us. Here on the left side, you can see more information about this particular ticket. For example, this is the original Facebook post from our showroom, and here is the particular command from Molly. We also can enrich the data. We can enrich this from any CRM system. For example, here you can see we have recognized the object ID, and we can also enrich it with additional data that we can use also in other communication. For example, here you can see we have templates, some basics like the name of the customer or also your signature. This is automatically assigned from the system. We also have text models. In our case, she's asking for the floor plan. I will send her the floor plan. Here also, it is automatically assigned for the correct object, so we can use this automatically. And here David likes contact to this customer. He will also offer some private messaging, so he's sending some additional information that she can contact us. This time we have the supervisor front end. Just to show you, we don't have only the agent desk, which is the working platform for the agents, for David and his team. We also have a supervising platform. So this is the same system. It's the same platform. You have an overview over all your tickets that are in the system, even the live communication as we have seen here. This is the chatbot communication we have seen here. We have information about this, and you can also hand over to an agent. We also have different kinds of search. You have reports, and of course you have a lot of administration. You can configure the whole system on your own analytics. But let's have a look onto the backlog in the mail, because we don't have just the chatbot. The chatbot did something in the back end. And what we see here, these are the new two tickets. These both are now waiting. You can see we have previewing call ticket and post-viewing call ticket. The idea here is the first ticket is a reminder, so we will call Molly one day before. This can also be done after the viewing. So the same is possible from David's inbox. He also have an overview callback. For example, if he wants to call this, it will be automatically routed in time to his inbox. So he can directly initiate a call with Molly, because we also have a click to dial here, just a way to show you how easy it is to initiate all the communication all together in one platform.